Baby, come give me something, oh. Baby, come give me something, oh. Cause I can't stop loving.
Hey, me mama sa Al-Qaeda. Al-Qaeda, hey, me papa sa Al-Qaeda. See you, baby. Al-Qaeda, hey, me mama sa Al-Qaeda. Hey, hey, Al-Qaeda, hey, me papa sa Al-Qaeda. Yes, Al-Qaeda, hey, hey, you, when you dance, what I'm getting mum.
Move for you too disgusting. Me never like it sometime.
So, you see, I have to clean my shit.
Say I love you. Say you.
Me.
No, you.
Me.
No, you.
Alright, never have I ever. Freaks edition. Let's see how much of a freak you are. Put a finger down if you've ever had a hickey. Put a finger down if you've ever done it with somebody on the first day. Put a finger down if you've ever done it in a public place. Put a finger down if you've ever gotten caught doing it. Put a finger down if you like licking their necks. Put a finger down if you've ever used your tongue while making out. Put a finger down if you've ever bitten somebody's lip while making out. Put a finger down if you're a screamer. Put a finger down if you like getting your hair pulled. Put a finger down if you like it rough.
Nothing is wrong with being alone. You not have to have no friend. Go take up your Bible.
How much Mama come from again?
New York.
Who them talk?
Twang.
So tell me some.
How do I know you from? Your face look familiar.
From your graduation, me I did a march.
You have too much mouth.
And you have too much tongue. I mean, how you take them dry my body.
I may look like this, 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 and this. But I also look like this, and that's fine.
No, I did not slap her. I just high-fived her face.
Nah, we no girl over no man.
Yeah.
Your man no blood and not do me? Yeah. No.
Love her to me heart. You see now? Look at the body for your man. Give me half a yard.
But walk, boy, you're feisty.
Give me half of the money, Sheena. Oh.
You mash down
Yes, my mouth don't man, me need care.
The way you walk, your name.
Now you mean? On my belly.
Then soon wanga yo.
Wanga you too. I wanga be my belly, me there.
Then soon wanga your good side.
You're lucky.
Nyam, too much,
On
man.
my mouth.
Your nyam, too much.
On my mouth.
Licky.
What you?
And when wanga yo.
What?
Yes, I get it.
So yeah, the blood clot go. Cause then can't blood clot look like me non blood clot.